Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we're going to discuss how you can speed up your downloads on the Ubisoft application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ubisoft Connect app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you may proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage, from which, if you are experiencing slow downloads, then make sure that your internet that you are connected with, whether it be a Wi-Fi or through an Ethernet port, should have a high enough bandwidth. If you have a good enough speed, but still your games are downloading slower, then alongside your username at the top left corner, click on the arrow button. From here, click on Settings, and then click on Downloads from the Settings window. Now, within this page, make sure that the limit bandwidth usage is not checked if your internet connection speed is equal to or higher than 200 megabytes per second. If your speed is less than the maximum speed that is mentioned over here, you may keep this box checked, but make sure that the slider is set all the way to the right. Finally, click on the Close button, and now when you download your games, you will notice that they will download much faster than before on the application. Now, there is one thing that we need to understand about the figure displayed within the limit of bandwidth usage. The capital B indicates bytes and not bits, which means that even with this limit set to the maximum, each second you should be able to download 200 megabytes, which in honesty is not a speed that any average person would have. However, if you have a higher enough speed, then only in that case, you should make sure that the box is unchecked. And there you have it. That is how you can speed up your downloads on the Ubisoft application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.